Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve algorithm on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve algorithm on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of AliExpress. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data, because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your